Hail Mary, full of grace. Today, on the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, inaanyayahan po tayo to focus our gaze on her, na tumingin sa Kanya, and to look at her as the most beautiful woman, dahil pinuno siya ng grasya ng Diyos. Dahil sa Kanya, may pag-asa tayo, we can overcome sin. May pag-asa na magbago ang ating bansa despite the fact that there is so much corruption happening in government. May pag-asa. Yung ang paanyaya is we look at her and then try to see and discover her secret. Ano ba yung secret niya? Yung una, puno siya ng grasya. Bukas na bukas siya sa Diyos. Yung unang tanong, gusto pa ba ninyong maging shrine ang parokya ninyo? Mahalaga po yung yes. Because that yes is the start of a miracle, of God's surprises in this parish. Madami pong mga milagro at mga surprises na mangyayari if you really say yes from the heart, just as when Mary said her yes. And so many things happened after that yes. Mahalaga po na itong yes na ito galing sa puso ninyo. So we expect miracles. We expect many surprises of God in this parish. God is powerful sa kanyang sarili. But ang ating mahal na ina is powerful because of grace. Because of grace. Hinihiling po natin sa bawat isa, you stop for a while, yung nakahanda na, just say your yes to Jesus. Say your yes to God. Just as Mary said, be it done to me according to your word. Mangyari nawa sa akin ng ayon sa iyong salita.
In the quiet barrio of Nampicuan, nestled in the province of Nueva Ecija, the parish of the Immaculate Conception stood as a testament to the resilience and faith of its people. The journey of this parish, steeped in history, unfolded over the years, reflecting the flow of time and the unwavering spirit of its devoted residents. It all began in the late 19th century when Barrio Nampikuan achieved the status of a municipality, only to be reverted to a barrio during the American occupation in 1903. The strong spirit of the prominent residents, however, reclaimed its municipal status through representation, setting the stage for the growth of both the town and its parish. In the early days, Catholic faithful faced the absence of a physical church and a resident priest, compelling them to travel to neighboring towns for Mass. The mid-1930s saw the arrival of MSC priests, and a modest church structure, the Kama League, emerged behind the municipal hall. The post-war era brought more stability, with missionary priests and the formation of vital organizations within the parish. The creation of the Diocese of Cabanatuan marked a new chapter, with Father Segundo B. Gutak overseeing the construction of the first convent. As the years progressed, the foundation of the first concrete church took shape under the guidance of Father Delfin R. Diaz. The Parish of the Immaculate Conception, now officially recognized, became a dynamic force in both spiritual and community development, pioneering the Parish Renewal Experience (PREX) program. As the Diocese of San Jose de Nueva Ecija was established, the parish continued to play a vital role, influencing the diocesan formation program and promoting community engagement. The pinnacle of this narrative unfolded in 2014 when the Holy Face of Manipelo embarked on a mission, reaching the humble town of Nampikuan. The enthronement of an exact replica of the Sudarium, believed to bear the Holy Face of the risen Jesus, marked a historic moment for the parish. Thousands of devotees witnessed the event, signifying the convergence of faith, tradition, and divine grace. With the establishment of the Immaculate Conception Parish Nampikuan Foundation and subsequent projects, the physical and spiritual transformation of the parish accelerated. As the sun set on the small town of Nampikuan, the Parish of the Immaculate Conception stood as a beacon of hope, a testament to the enduring spirit of a community united by faith, resilience, and a shared journey towards the divine.